Hey everybody, and today we've got my mom's old iPhone 8. She had this phone, not too long ago. She has a new one now. And she dropped this one quite a few times, as you can tell. But what I thought I would do for her is see if I could repair this phone and give it to her for Mother's Day as a nice gift. Because what happened to this phone is she dropped it a bunch of times, and one time it just stopped working. Like, it's totally dead. Even though I've charged it, the phone is totally dead right now. What I think might have happened is the screen cable might have unplugged from the motherboard, or maybe she used the wrong charger and it blew the battery charging and protection circuit in there. So I'm going to open this up. We're going to see if we can restore this old iPhone so that it can be reused and not turn into e-waste. So the first step is going to be securing the iPhone. We're going to secure it in my vise. And when you're securing your iPhone, you want to be very careful, because if you put too much pressure, the glass will crack. So you want to apply just the right amount of pressure onto the phone. That's good, that's good. Now we need to remove the screen. The screen comes off, and then you can get to the motherboard and the battery. Just wait, I have to prop my camera up a little higher so you can see. Oh crap, here you go. So you can see what I'm doing. Now how to get this open is, you'd usually take a little, like a knife, and pry the screen off. But what I found works much better is the good old-fashioned sharp object plus hammer. We're just going to place it on. And we're in. Alright. Now we're going to... You can see the screen comes right off. Like so. You need to get all of it off. Just using our method right here. Now you can see we have a mirror. If you wanted, you could use your phone as a mirror like this. This is just a layer of plastic. We're almost there. You might need a little more adjustment. Ah, we're in. I see. Now once you have opened the iPhone very carefully, I will show you what is inside and what the problems could be. So, you can see right here is the large battery. Oh, I might have scratched it. It's fine. Here is the display cable right here. This would have gone to the display, but it's been unplugged. Here is the maybe touch sensor cable or something. Ooh, it has a it has a Taptic engine. Wow, that sounded cool. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is, I think there are some cracked solder joints on this motherboard. So we are gonna remove the protective shielding over the motherboard, like so. Just gotta get it out. Like so. You can see it's off, and you'll see that in there is some chips. And I'm going to reflow the solders on those chips, and that might repair the circuit. So, you want to carefully do this with a very fine tip soldering iron, or one of those blower things. But I don't have one of those, so that should be good. Now we just need to carefully reassemble the phone. Alright, the phone is all back together. Will it power on? Nope, it's dead. I think we may need to remove the battery. Alright, we have the battery successfully removed. I'm going to place this one in the garbage. Alright. We're down to the bare electronics of the phone. I'm just going to give them a light little tap, and maybe that'll restore some of the broken solder connections. Alright. We're done. Wait. Alright. Phone repair is complete. Now all that's left to do is to reassemble the phone, and we will try it out. Alright guys, you would never be able to tell, but I actually took this iPhone apart and put it all back together. You would never be able to tell if I hadn't put this refurbished sticker on it. So, now we'll just plug it in and see if she charges. Oh. No, that's not working. Damn it. But YouTube told me this would work. I watched YouTube videos and they said this was how to repair iPhones. Piece of shit! And that is how to repair an iPhone. Die, motherfucker!